There was a man who felt lost. Every day felt the same, heavy, silent, empty. He woke up without purpose. He moved without direction, and slowly, he started to disappear inside his own mind. No one noticed, because on the outside, he looked fine, but inside, he was fighting a battle no one could see. One day, he sat alone in silence and asked himself, "What is wrong with me?" But the answer didn't come. Only more thoughts, more noise, more confusion, until one moment changed everything. He read something simple from Marcus Aurelius. You have power over your mind, not outside events. And for the first time, he stopped and thought, what if my mind is not my enemy, but something I need to understand? That day, he didn't fix his life, but he changed something small. He stopped fighting everything. He started observing his thoughts, his emotions, his reactions, without judgment, without panic, just awareness. And slowly, things began to change, not outside, inside. He realized not every thought was true, not every feeling was permanent, not every dark moment was forever. And that gave him space, space to breathe, space to think, space to rebuild. He started small, waking up, even when he didn't feel like it, moving his body, controlling his reactions, accepting what he couldn't change, and focusing only on what he could. Day by day, he became stronger, not louder, not perfect, but more stable, more aware, more in control. And one day, he realized something powerful. The darkness didn't disappear, but it no longer controlled him. Repeat with me. I am not my thoughts. I am stronger than this moment. I move forward, one step at a time,